Hi, hello. My name is Amol Deshmukh. I am from Let's Talk Now and this is the first rule for English speaking. और ये पहला रूल आप सबका फेवरेट होने वाला है. This is going to be your favorite secret because most of our students, most of our subscribers tell us that this is the one they love. They love hearing this. It set them free. So what is it? कौन सा रूल है? So secret number 1 is this. Never again study grammar rules. Woohoo! You're finished with the grammar. No more never study grammar rules again. Now, अब ये चीज सुन के आप लोगों को बहुत सरप्राइज होगा. This is a surprise for a lot of people, a lot of our students, a lot of teachers will be surprised when they first hear this rule. और वो सोचते हैं और वो शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं and they think that oh God, is that true? Could that be possible? ये हो सकता है कि बिना ग्रामर से कि हम बात कर सकते हैं. Maybe you are unsure about this. Well, that's natural. The reason it's shocking or surprising is that all your life that you have been learning English, your teachers have telling you study grammar, study grammar, study grammar, 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 grammar. अंग्रेजी में बात करनी है आपको तो आपको ग्रामर आना ही चाहिए. ग्रामर ग्रामर ग्रामर. I don't know exactly when you have started studying English. Maybe जब आप स्कूल में थे, एलिमेंट्री स्कूल में या मिडिल स्कूल में या हाई स्कूल्स में, maybe later than that, but I'm sure that in schools your teachers told you grammar is the key. Grammar is super important. You have to study all these grammar rules. You have to know the past and the perfect and the continuous, all these structures and the forms of the tenses. You know how the stuff was very complicated. And you have to know the possessives, you have to know all the preposition and less grammar. You have to memorize bunch of rules. इतने सारे रूल्स को याद रखना और बोलते वक्त उनको एनालाइज करके करेक्ट तरीके से बोलना, तो ये हो नहीं पाता है. And then you taking test about the grammar, it doesn't work. Stop doing that. You're finished with this. In my system, in our system, no grammar book study. Now when some people hear this, then उनको ये लगता है कि this is not possible. और I have a new question for you, जो ये सोचते हैं कि you have been learning grammar this for years and years. My simple question is, did it work? Can you now speak English easily, quickly, and automatically? Is your grammar correct when you speak? Or do you still make mistakes with simple grammar like past tense? I mean, if you're a fantastic, amazing English speaker, you don't need to watch this video. But I'm guessing if you're watching this, it means you're not perfect or you're not a great speaker. And yet you know so much grammar. I guarantee you, you know more grammar than I do. Because I don't think about this stuff when I speak English. I just use it automatically. I don't need to think about the past tense or the present tense, or I don't need to translate Hindi se अंग्रेजी में translate करना. Even I make mistakes sometimes. When you speak your language, do you really think about the grammar rules? हिंदी बोलते वक्त आप ग्रामर के बारे में सोचते हैं? Of course not. See, here's the problem with the grammar rules. It causes you to think about the language. You will always analyze English in your head. Now for writing, that's okay. I mean, when I write in English, I can stop, or I can wait, or I can think, what's the grammar for this? मैं सोच सकता हूँ कि इसके लिए क्या grammar सकता है. For writing, that's very slow activity. There is no pressure for writing. You can write very, very slowly. Then you can go the same thing again अगर आपसे गलती भी होती है तो आप फिर से दोबारा करेक्ट करके लिख सकते हैं. All of that is possible for writing. So, if you want to study grammar rules for writing, it's okay. But here's the problem for the speaking. There is no time. If I walk up to you and I say, hey, how's it going? What did you do yesterday? You have no time to be thinking about the grammar rules. Which tense is it? What do I need to say? There is no time. You need to answer immediately, instantly, and automatically. You don't have time. And when you speak about the grammar, it needs to be correct. You can't be thinking about this. उसके बारे में आप सोच नहीं सकते. You cannot try to remember all of the bunch of the grammar rules. It causes you to speak very slowly, hesitate, and stop a lot. And when you are listening to the people, if you're thinking about the grammar, you're not really hearing them. It causes you a huge problem. You have to stop studying grammar rules. No. So this is good. Today is secret number 1. Rule number is this. Great name, great news. Throw away your grammar books. You will never study the grammar rules again. Throw your away books. And that is secret number 1. I will see you again tomorrow to a very important rule. It's also very simple, but very powerful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.